Want to save 25% off MSRP or more on a new motorhome? Then visit MHSRV.com.
Right here, right now. This is the best place to make it up as you go along. No meetings, no deadlines. Just you and the people you care about. Sometimes the best plan is not having one. The 2020 Hurricane from Thor Motor Coach. Always ready at a moment's notice. So when you are ready, load up. With the large storage bays, you can plan for longer trips. Go ahead, load those things you thought you had to leave behind. This is a Hurricane. With your gear on board, let's fire up the Ford F-53 Triton V10. The 320 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque have the power to help you find those little gems to explore you never made time for. In the driver's seat, the touchscreen radio has Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM radio, and is your rear view and side view camera monitor. You also have navigation, which makes the perfect wingman since your co-pilot will be occupied at the flip-out workstation, right where you need it. You have access to your dash fans, sunshade, and can even fire up the generator from here. Right above your one-touch leveling system, a USB port to keep your phone charged so you can snap some pics when you arrive or use it to help set up with Rapid Camp Plus. From your phone or tablet, simply connect via Bluetooth to the app and you can monitor your power, tank levels, put out your wall slides, set your auto gen start, and control power anywhere throughout the coach. You also have the full color touchscreen and remote panels as well. With everything the way you want it, let's take a look around and see what the Hurricane has to offer. You'll find exactly what you're looking for, starting with all the great floor plans where you'll find seating options to make everyone happy. The trusted and true booth dinette is always ready for family time, and it makes into a bed. The Hurricane offers a few different style sofas. Lounge here or sleep here, or enjoy this expanding sofa. When you need room for two more, the captain's chair swivel and the easy setup table makes for a great place to sit and have a treat. Up above, your drop-down overhead bunk. You can also get your Hurricane with home theater seating, so put your feet up, have a drink, and grab that remote. Every Hurricane comes standard with a TV and Blu-ray player. And if everyone cannot agree on the same show, you'll find TVs in the bunks and in the bedroom, so everyone can watch what they want. Maybe you'd rather hop online. You'll find USB ports throughout the Hurricane to keep your devices full. But with the WineGuard Connect Wi-Fi extender, you can tap into a nearby Wi-Fi signal and even set up your own safe, secure 4G hotspot. From prepping big meals to throwing a few items together, the kitchens in the Hurricane can handle it all. You have solid surface kitchen countertops, a double bowl stainless steel sink with cover for more room when you need it. The 3-burner gas cooktop with glass cover and oven can boil and bake. You also have a microwave, and some Hurricane models are equipped with a residential fridge. Bathroom space is always coveted, so with a bath and a half model, everyone has the room and privacy they need. In every bathroom, on every floor plan, you'll find a large shower with glass door and skylight, sink, and large medicine cabinets. Whatever Hurricane floor plan you decide to travel in, you are treated to a comfortable king bed, large nightstands with 110, 12-volt, and USB ports, a TV, and some incredibly large closets. And this is not the only place for all your gear. You need to see the amount of storage you have throughout the Hurricane. You have cabinets, pantries, every closet is huge, and some floor plans are prepped for a washer and dryer. So those bunks we saw earlier, watch this. Fold the top one up, and now you have a massive closet. So grab the perfect outfit and head outside. On the driver's side, all your connections are here. 50 amp service, water, black and gray tank, a standard gas generator, and every Hurricane is prepped for solar. Let's walk around to the campsite. So this is great for those days when you want to spend all day outside. You have this exterior kitchen with sink and fridge. And stay fed when you hook your grill up to the propane connection. Have your buddy stay with you with the pet tie-down link, and the power patio will provide everyone enough shade. Enjoy the summer breeze and have movie night outside with the TV on a swivel with Bluetooth soundbar. This is nice, right? The only plan you need now is getting behind the wheel of a Hurricane. The 2020 Hurricane from Thor Motor Coach. Find the Hurricane floor plan made to fit you at thormotorcoach.com.
If you would like to see sales prices from the only full-line and fully authorized Thor Motor Coach dealership in the world, visit Motorhome Specialist at MHSRV.com or call 800-335-6054. Motorhome Specialist is the #1 volume-selling motorhome dealership in the world, with over $165 million in inventory to choose from, all at one central location, making it easy to fly in from anywhere in the country and then drive your new dream motor coach home. All sale priced at a minimum of 25% off the manufacturer's suggested retail price every day. You will also enjoy the premier delivery process that can only be found at MHSRV. From the extensive pre-check and make-ready process to the only dealership performed and fully automated rain booth test in the industry, you'll see a world of difference at Motorhome Specialist. These additional detail and inspection processes are just a few of the countless steps taken here at Motorhome Specialist to help ensure that you not only receive a better selection and price, but also the unparalleled quality and service that you deserve to go along with it. So get busy living in an all-new Thor Motor Coach from Motorhome Specialist today. Why pay more? Why settle for less?